Hello, dear class. It's been a while. Haven't been seeing you for quite a while. Um, yeah, the one of the main reason is this 2 years course. As I promised you guys from the very beginning, actually it's finished at the end or the beginning, very beginning of this year, to 2025. All right. So I haven't been renew anything. So one reason is to give you more time to review, deepen, or widen your understanding, or consolidate your understanding. The second reason is that I have been pretty busy. Okay, and the third reason is because recently, in the past couple of months, a new platform called Ganjing World, a new platform, they're approaching me on multiple occasions. They would like to help me to promote this 2 years course on the Ganjing World, short as GJW platform. They would like to help me to promote this course. So after several discussions with them, I would like to set up a membership program on GJW platform. Yeah, if you would like to review the whole course, the whole 2 years course, please go there to register as a member and continue learning over there. Along the way, I'm going to put new content related to Chinese language learning and culture and history. Is more like a seminar kind of format, or just each time different topic regarding Chinese language and culture and history. Of course, along the way, I'm going to set up a live Q&A over there too. Now, I might be able to also do it here, but based on the term discussed with that platform, we're going to have a really good discount over there compared with YouTube channel here. Right now, I put all the videos as a membership here so far, but the price is different. Okay, so if you want to go on try on a new platform over there and with a better rate, yeah, please go over to go support the new platform, support my course over there with the promotion over there. After a very short period of time, I'm going to put a new contents seminar-wise, say maybe each time 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, depends the topic. Focus on the language, Chinese language and Chinese culture. Or you can raise your question, post question, and based on your request, your question, your interest, then I do the specific talk for you guys in the membership also. And at the same time also we need to set up a live Q&A periodically for you guys. Okay, it's kind of a formal say goodbye for this 2 years course. We'll start a new one, but as you know, Chinese language is a really comprehensive language. Culture is very enriched. So maybe 2 years, even though it's 2 years every week 2 video, if you just go once, usually it's not good enough for you to really master this language. So you need to go revisit it, review the course system, because there's a whole system there. Yeah. So I really encourage you, if you really want to make breakthrough in learning Chinese language and culture, really be freely read in Chinese, any Chinese material. I still think if you go search online, there's not such a similar course as I'm providing here. So yeah, I really encourage you to go review it. It's very inexpensive. Okay, so and also if you're learning good enough, or you want to learn more about Chinese language culture, you are more than welcome to come back to the channel, or GJW platform on the channel over there is for the open to public free content also. Yeah, there's shorts. There's something there. There's something I'm gonna put on over there too. So please click the link in the description to get to the GJW platform, and you will search Mr. He's Chinese class. You will see there. All right. Okay. So any question, leave a comments here, or you can leave it over there. Yeah, but definitely we're gonna have more in the class kind of a community interaction, Q&A over there. Okay. Of course, you're also more than welcome to come back here, visit me for later on with the contents I'm gonna put out for free. Alright, this channel is gonna stay, but if you want to join the membership here, it's a little bit more costly compared with GJW platform right now for promotion over there. Alright? But if you want to systematically learn, improve your Chinese language in reading, speaking, I really encourage you to review the course, this course. Alright? Thank you very much for your trust in the past 2 years, 2.5 now. Okay, it's June now. Thank you for your trust. And more importantly, thank you very much for your great effort to come along, go with the whole process. I know how hard it is for everybody. You do it, you make it, but I want to really wish you can make a really good progress and really master this language and understand the very comprehensive and rich culture behind it and enjoy. See you soon inside. Thank you.